Sometimes I'm standing in the rain. I try to hide the pain inside. Water running down my eyes. I'm walking in a puddle, I cry. Sometimes I stand in the rain. I try to hide the pain inside. Water running down my eyes. I'm walking in a puddle, I cry.
Yeah, born in 19, niggas 7 head popping in a cell. One in higher in the world, I was born in jail. Crackhead for a mother, that good for a father. Let's just strap us while I'm feeling like, why should I bother? I'm bounded by hell's flames. That someone tossed me a cup. I'm not looking for handouts, but help to help myself up. God, can you hear me? Why am I crying and fainting? Just touch me one time, please Lord, ease my pain. My first memory as far as I can remember. Being molested at 4 by my own family member. Didn't know what I was doing and what was being done. All I knew was a secret that I could tell no one.
How many times did it happen? I don't know.
No.
Probably at least 100 times, give or take a few, bro. Nobody knows the trouble I see. Nobody knows but me. Nobody knows the pain I felt. No one at all but me. Nobody knows the trouble I see. Nobody knows but me. Nobody knows the pain I felt. No one at all but me. Sometimes I'm standing in the rain and try to hide the pain inside. Water running down my eyes. I'm walking in a puddle, I cry. Sometimes I stand in the rain. I try to hide the pain inside. Water running down my eyes. I'm walking in a puddle, I cry. It's gonna be alright. If you do it up to the sky. It's gonna be alright. If you do it up to the sky. Sometimes I'm standing in the rain. I try to hide the pain inside. Water running down my eyes. I'm walking in a puddle, I cry. Sometimes I stand in the rain. I try to hide the pain inside. Water running down my eyes. I'm walking in a puddle, I cry. It's gonna be alright.